Hey, welcome back to Tipsy Tuesday. I'm Karen.
And I'm Cyndi, and we're with Gromes Sewing Machine Company here in San Antonio. And boy, do we have another tip for you today. But before we get started, we're still waiting on some of those little tips listed down at that comment box. So don't forget to leave your little tip for us. And maybe next week, we can use one of your tips. Miss Karen, what tip are we showing them today?
It's an easy tip that I have used to fold my quilts so that they don't have that permanent wrinkle in them.
That'd be great because, well, you just quilted a quilt for me and it's beautiful and I surely wouldn't want to fold it and have all these wrinkles in it.
And when it goes to the quilt show, you want it to hang pretty, not with a big wrinkle in it.
Yeah, so ladies, if you're quilters, pay attention. All right, we're ready to go. So let's see what you got.
Okay, so we pulled this out and it's a Christmas quilt. So let's say you get it out for Christmas and then you look at it and you want to hang it and it has a big wrinkle right down the middle. Let's look at the other side. So it has this big wrinkle and sometimes that won't come out. So when I fold my quilts to store them, I like to fold them on the bias. Then the wrinkles don't stay. They'll fall out a lot quicker.
Oh.
So I take it across one diagonal, fold it again, and I don't need to press it down. And then if it's a bigger quilt, you can take it and fold it again. For this one, notice all the folds are on the bias. And here, and
wow.
Now I can store this, and when I get it out next Christmas, the folds won't stay.
Oh, so then it just kind of relaxes once it's open.
Much easier.
Oh, I like that
Folding
tip.
on the bias.
Wonderful tip, Karen. So ladies, if you've got quilts that have creases, take them out. Make sure you open them flat and then do your folding just the way Karen showed you so that when you pull them out the next time, voila, very little creases.
And no wrinkles. I hope you enjoyed that folding tip and that it helps you out. Cyndi is going to read another one of our reviews that someone left either on Yelp, Google, or Facebook.
Hi everyone, this one is from Judah Boy. The customer service was amazing. They were able to tell me about my sewing machine and I only paid $10 for a sewing machine case. They have all the little pieces to your sewing machines. I recommend this place. Judah, we appreciate these wonderful words that you shared with us. And ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for yours. Don't forget to find us on Facebook, leave a review, Yelp, and Google. And if you want us to share your tip, make sure you comment it down in the box below and we'll look for it. Thank you for watching us.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Cheers.